All right, Tone, this is part 2. First thing I want to do is take a little bit of this lettuce off of here. This is something I learned from Jeff Sosha back in the day. You smash it over there, take the core out. Now you remove that, any possibility of having any bit of core in your lettuce. You only need 2 slices of that. And that's all we're going to need for this amount of shredded lettuce. That's all you need for that. All right, we're going to put that in a side bowl. We don't want it to go direct into what we're doing now. We're going to, I sliced a red onion. I figure you can handle that. And we want to make this really, really thin. All right. And that's all you gotta do with that. We'll come back to that in a second. You can actually use this tomato, wipe it off if you like. I sliced these tomato that far. Now what we want to do is not too dissimilar to what we did with the cukes. All right. And we're gonna do it twice over. 2 tomatoes. Again, you can use this by itself with sour cream or tzatziki or however you want to do it. But for my family, it works like this. All right. So we're going to put this into a bowl. All right. All right, 1 giant bowl. All right. Now we're going to revisit cukes we did a moment ago. All right, toss that in there. Now we want to use tzatziki. You can make it on your own, but I bought this stuff. Actually, my wife bought it. She just brought it home. That's why we're doing this in 2 parts. So I'll mix that all up. So this is going to be part of this salad now for basically 2 days. It's going to be tonight's dinner, tomorrow's lunch, and lastly, calamatas. That goes in there. I know you're always concerned about quantity, so I also got some chicken to go with the lamb. Stay tuned for part 3.